Here are 10 of the strangest discoveries of the last few years, weaving science, mystery, and human curiosity into a compelling journey through the unknown. 1. Time crystals. When matter breaks time itself. In the silent hum of quantum labs across the globe, physicists achieved what once sounded like science fiction. They created time crystals, a bizarre new phase of matter that repeats not in space, but in time. Unlike ordinary crystals, like diamonds or salt, which have atoms arranged in repeating spatial patterns, time crystals pulse rhythmically without using energy, defying the long-held laws of thermodynamics. First theorized by Nobel laureate Frank Wilczek in 2012, they were finally stabilized in labs using supercooled ions and quantum computers. These aren't just curiosities. They could revolutionize quantum computing and force us to rewrite the textbooks on how time and entropy truly work. 2. The Dragon Man. A skull that rewrites human history. In 1933, during the chaos of Japanese-occupied China, a laborer unearthed a massive, strangely human skull in Harbin but hid it in a well, fearing it would be lost to war. Nearly 90 years later, it resurfaced. In 2021, scientists unveiled Homo longi, or Dragon Man, a human cousin with a face almost modern, yet a brain case rivaling Neanderthals. Its features suggest it might be even closer to us than Neanderthals, forcing a dramatic rethink of the human family tree. Was this the missing link that outcompeted other hominins? The fossil's delayed revelation, thanks to wartime secrecy, feels like a plot twist from a historical thriller. 3. The deep-sea octopus garden. Life at the edge of hell. 2 miles beneath the Pacific, near a hydrothermal vent off California, scientists discovered something hauntingly beautiful. Thousands of deep-sea octopuses. Moose octopus clinging to warm rock faces, each cradling her eggs, dubbed the Octopus Garden. This nursery thrives not in cold abyssal plains, but near geothermal warmth, possibly using Earth's inner heat to speed up embryonic development. It's a revelation of evolutionary ingenuity, life exploiting planetary fire to nurture its future in the crushing dark. 4. Zombie genes. The body's secret afterlife. Death, we long believed, is the end of biological activity. But studies from 2022, 2024 revealed something eerie. Hundreds of genes wake up after death. Some promote inflammation. Others astonishingly activate developmental pathways seen only in embryos. In mice and zebrafish, certain cells become more active for days post-mortem. This twilight biology isn't just macabre. It has real implications for organ transplants, forensics, and even how we define the moment life truly ends. 5. The Galactic Phantom Signal, a whisper from the Milky Way's heart. In 2022, the Australian SKA Pathfinder telescope picked up a signal from the galactic center that defied classification. It pulsed erratically, was highly polarized, and vanished as mysteriously as it appeared. Named ASCAP J1736082 321,635, it shares traits with neither pulsars, black holes, nor known stellar objects. Some speculate it could be a new class of cosmic object, perhaps a cosmic string or an exotic stellar remnant. For now, It remains a ghost in the machine of the galaxy, silent and enigmatic. 6. Moonglass orbs, lunar pearls from ancient cataclysms. China's Yutu-2 rover, trundling across the moon's far side in 2022, spotted something glinting in the regolith. Translucent glass spheres, some over a centimeter wide. While lunar glass is common, formed by meteorite impacts melting rock, these were unusually large and perfectly spherical, like pearls forged in cosmic violence. Scientists now believe they may be remnants of ancient volcanic fire fountains or massive impacts, offering clues to the moon's hidden geologic past. 7. The Antikythera mechanism's hidden secrets. An ancient AI? Though discovered in 1901, the Antikythera mechanism, a 2,000-year-old Greek computer, revealed new wonders in the 2020 seconds. Using cutting-edge X-ray tomography, researchers decoded tiny inscriptions on its corroded gears, revealing it could predict eclipses, track planetary orbits, and even schedule Olympic Games. With over 30 interlocking bronze gears, it's the most complex machine of the ancient world, centuries ahead of its time. Was this a fluke? Or evidence of a lost technological lineage? 8. Fairy circles in the outback. Nature's self-writing code. For decades, the fairy circles of Namibia, mysterious, barren disks ringed by grass, defied explanation. Then, in 2021, scientists confirmed their twin in the Australian desert. These patterns aren't caused by termites or toxins, but by plants self-organizing in a brutal tug-of-war for water. In arid lands, vegetation arranges itself into hexagonal mosaics to maximize survival. A stunning display of emergent order in chaos. It's nature's algorithm made visible, a silent testament to resilience written in sand and roots. 9. Xenobots, the first living robots. In 2020, scientists at Tufts University did the unthinkable. They sculpted living cells into programmable organisms, built from frog stem cells. Xenobots are neither robot nor animal. They move, heal, work in teams, and even replicate by gathering loose cells into piles that become new xenobots. By 2023, they'd evolved versions that live weeks and carry payloads. These synthetic life forms open ethical frontiers and hint at a future where medicine, ecology, and engineering merge in living machines. 10. The lost Nile of the Sahara. River of ghosts. Beneath the shifting dunes of Libya, radar satellites in 2024 uncovered the ghost of a river, a massive, buried waterway stretching from the Nile deep into the Sahara. This Tushka Paleo-channel flowed just 11,000 years ago when the desert was green. It may explain how early humans migrated across North Africa, following its banks like lifelines. Now entombed in stone and sand, it's a reminder that Earth's landscapes are never as permanent as they seem, and that civilizations rise and fall with the rhythm of rain. Epilogue. The world is still wild. These discoveries, spanning quantum realms, ancient bones, ocean depths, and alien worlds, reveal a profound truth. Even in our hyperconnected, data-saturated age, the universe refuses to be fully tamed. Mystery isn't fading, it's evolving. And each answer we uncover seems to sprout a dozen new questions, inviting us to keep exploring, wondering, and dreaming. Because the strangest discovery of all might be this: we're still just beginning to understand where and when we are.